Namaste. I'm Niharika Nag from Bangalore. I'm here today to work towards fulfilling one of the most important dreams of my life, to be Miss India. I also believe that dreams are not the visions that you have when asleep, but are those visions that let you not to sleep until you achieve them. And for me, Miss India is one such dream. I'm a happy, confident and an optimistic person by nature, and I think I have all the necessary qualities that an Indian woman should have to represent her country internationally. To make this journey of mine towards the crown more beautiful and to help me achieve all that I have ever dreamt of, I need your support and confidence.
Namaste. My name is Nishtha Khatiwala. Born and brought up in Indore, I did my MBA from Narsi Munji, Mumbai. Presently, I am working as a business analyst. Miss India में आना मेरा बचपन से ही सपना था, and I have always believed that nothing is impossible in life if you have a will to do and a soul to dare. And yes, I think I have already tested my brains during my MBA days, and today I am here to test my brain.
Hi, my name is Pooja Hegde and I'm 18 years old. I'm from Bombay. Music runs in my blood. For the past 10 years, I've been a Bharatanatyam dancer and I think I've been singing since I was born. I think that to win in life, you must be hardworking, you must be passionate in whatever you're doing, and most important of all, you must believe in yourself. And besides, just think how dazzling that crown would look on this pretty little face.
Namaste India. I am Ragini Dwivedi. 18 years of age. I belong to the beauty city of Bangalore, which is known to create sensations, and I wish to do the same. I believe in God, hard work and luck as they go hand in hand. I'm an optimistic person who believes in achieving each part of her dream. Femina Miss India for me is an institution which teaches you to fly right without wings. I believe that I can be the right woman to represent the culture and the beauty of India to the world. If you believe so too, please keep me in your prayers and help me achieve my dream.
नमस्ते इंडिया। मैं हूँ श्रिया किशोर। मैं मुंबई की रहने वाली हूँ, जहाँ सपने हकीकत बन जाते हैं। एक ट्रेंड होटेलियर होने के नाते मुझे खाना बनाना और दूसरों को खाना खिलाना बहुत ही पसंद है। किताबें पढ़ना, लोगों से मिलना और देश विदेश की सैर करने में भी मैं रुचि रखती हूँ। हर हिंदुस्तानी नारी की तरह मेरा भी एक सपना है, सपना मिस इंडिया बनने का। दिल मेरा ना सही मगर चेहरा मेरा कुछ बुरा नहीं, दिल सच्चा है मेरा और खुद पे है मुझे पूरा यकीन।
Hello everyone, my name is Sonakshi Sajnani. I'm 23 years old. And I'm from a very own vibrant city of Mumbai. I love traveling, I love camping and I love adventure sports. I actually bungee jumped from the world's 5th highest point, which is in Nepal. Miss India was a childhood dream and I'm really happy and proud to be here today.
Hi, I'm Tulip Bhattacharya. I am currently pursuing my master's degree in international relations. I also have an integrated language course in German. I love nature, music, reading. I love my friends and my family. And sometimes I tend to get lost in an imaginary world of my own. I'm just hoping that in the days to come, I get the opportunity to represent India in the international platform and make my country proud.
हाय, मेरा नाम पूजा चोपड़ा है। बचपन में मुझे टीचर बनना था, पायलट बनना था, मिस इंडिया बनना था, किरण बेदी बनना था। मुझे लगा मेरे सारे सपनों की तरह ये भी सपना कहीं खो जाएगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ। मेरे बड़े होते होते मिस इंडिया का ख्वाब भी बड़ा होने लगा और उसी ड्रीम्स को चेस करने के लिए मैं आज यहाँ तक पहुँच गई हूँ। यहाँ हर एक बीते लम्हे के साथ ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैं अपने सपने के एक एक कदम नजदीक आ रही हूँ। मैं एक सिंपल हार्ड वर्किंग लड़की हूँ। मुझे मेरे मम्मी का आशीर्वाद, आप लोगों का साथ और अपनी मेहनत पर पूरा भरोसा है।
Namaste. I'm Ekta Chaudhary, 22 years of age, citizen of the beautiful country, India, living in New Delhi for the past 22 years. A proud Indian, I have been able to get a taste of our culture and heritage through the help of my parents, through dance and music. I am a representative of the new Indian woman who still cooks aloo gobi for her parents, who believes in herself and dares to be different. Living in the present as forest is a gift. I believe that our destinies are written and we are given a path to choose it. I chose mine